Hello friends, are you running out of iCloud storage again? And Apple asks you to upgrade the storage to save more photos? No worries. In this video, I will show you two smart ways to upload and store your photos without buying any extra space. The first option is a hidden iPhone trick. The second option is a free cloud backup using by Google Photos. So let's start with the first one, iCloud storage. Usually Apple gives 5 GB to every user free of cost. And most of the time this space is not enough, and then Apple asks to upgrade your storage plan. For that you have to subscribe whatever amount they are asking for that. But some people don't want to pay extra money to save their photos, so I have two solutions. Let's get started with the first one. Tap on settings, scroll down to the bottom, tap on apps, scroll down and find photos, tap on photos. Once you get in the settings, scroll down, toggle on the shared albums. The second settings, turn off the iCloud photos. Once you turn off the iCloud photos and turn on the share albums, let's get back to the photos. Tap on photos, tap on collection, scroll down and find option share albums. Tap on start sharing. Now you need to create a album name, whatever you like. For example, I will put here iPhone photos. Tap on create. The album is created. Now tap on album. Tap on a plus icon to add photos here. You can select in a one tap or one by one, it's your choice. Tap on a tick and tap on post. Now these pictures are sharing in a shared album by publishing. Once it's published here, you can delete your photos from iPhone too. And it will no longer use your iCloud storage even if the photos stays in a shared album. Now these pictures are added here. What we do next, we go back, tap on library, select the photos which we have added to the shared album, tap on delete, tap on delete again. Next step is tap on collections, scroll down, tap on deleted, tap on view album, select all, tap on three dots. You will find two options, recover or delete. We will tap on delete to make sure the pictures are permanently deleted. Tap on delete from all devices. The pictures are deleted from the gallery and from recently deleted. So the pictures are deleted permanently here. We go back and tap on shared album. And here you can see that your pictures are still here. It might reduce a little bit quality of the pictures, but it won't use your iCloud storage. And you can upload unlimited pictures by using this method. The next method, Google Photo. First of all, swipe down, search for App Store, tap on it. In a bottom, search for Google Photos. And you can download the Google Photos from here to your iPhone. Once it's downloaded, tap on open, or you can go back to the menu and open this application. It will ask you to sign in with your Gmail account, or you can sign up a free Gmail account. By default, Google gives 15 GB free space which you can use to backup your photos. If you have already Gmail account, tap on upper right corner on a profile link, add your email account here. Now it will ask you allow access to photos so that can continue backup. Tap on continue. The Google Photos has taken me to the settings. Here I will tap on photos, tap on full access. This way Google Photos can backup the entire backup of the photos. So if your backup is more than 15 GB, So it will ask you to subscribe for the more storage. And if you don't want to subscribe, simply tap on no subscription and continue. Once you allow Google Photos to full access to your photos, it will start backup your photos automatically. You can tap on the upper right corner of the profile link. You will see a second option, turn on backup. Tap confirm, and now it's preparing the backup. This way you can use up to 15 GB free of cost to store your photos in your iPhone. The same way you can tap on backup and turn it off in case you don't want to use it anymore. After backup is complete in Google Photos, you can delete the photos from your iPhone gallery. This way it will help to free some space from iCloud. So whether you use the shared album trick or the Google Photos backup, now you know how to save unlimited photos without ever paying for the extra storage again. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and leave your question or suggestions in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to simplify your tech for more helpful tips and tricks. Goodbye. See you in the next video with another smart tip.